Hi, and welcome to another Zoom Fact Friday with Pearl Video. Today I want to go over some hidden keyboard shortcuts in Zoom. To access these, you simply want to navigate to your settings, find keyboard shortcuts. My personal favorites would be the start and stop video, mute and unmute audio, start and stop screen sharing, start and stop recording, whether locally or to the cloud. If you're simply looking for how to enable the spacebar to temporarily unmute yourself, that can be found again in your settings under the Audio tab. Scroll to the bottom and you will see press and hold space key to temporarily unmute yourself. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.